This is the receiver, and it's basically operating on FM frequency. Now in the room right now there is a transmitter, and that's called a personal locating unit, and that's what the individual who is a member of this would be wearing on the wrist. So I'm going to turn this transmitter on. I already have it programmed to the frequency that it's emitting, and what you'll hear is the chirp, and the louder the chirp, the closer we are to this unit. So if I was to walk away from this room, it would definitely dissipate that sound. So an officer responding to an incident of search and rescue, and if we're aware the individual is a member of Project Lifesaver, we would go to the station, grab this device, whether it's in Innisfil or Bradford. There's two, so we'll have one available for both townships right away. And the officer will grab this, go to the last point of location where the person was seen, turn this device on, and do a 360-degree turn with this specific unit. Paying attention to that sound of that chirp, and the greater the sound is basically where that device is going to lead us to start searching. As I turn, you can hear the signal is getting stronger as I'm turning, so that tells me I'm getting closer to where this unit would be located. And I'll keep doing a 360-degree turn. So it sounds like it's the strongest right about here. Sue, do you have it on you?
No, I don't. You're close though.
The other antenna that attaches to this is an omni antenna, and that actually attaches to the police vehicle on the roof. And what we can do with that antenna is actually go mobile from the call. So if the person's wandered, and on average an average person can wander up to 4 miles in 1 hour. That antenna is good for a 1 mile radius search for this chirp. So when we put that on our cruiser, we can drive up to around 25 miles an hour, and it's connected to this device as well. We'd be listening for that chirp strength, and that we can cover a lot of ground very quickly. The average search, based on studies from Project Lifesaver, is approximately $1,500 per hour of cost, and the average timeline of a search is 9 hours. So you can see this drastically reducing that time and expense to the communities and the taxpayers if there is a member involved with this, and the police agency who has the right tools can cover a lot of ground very quickly without having an official search manager or search incident ongoing. We can do that before that all gets set up.